up, KJD Nation? For today's vlog, we will do a mukbang for the second time. The first mukbang that I did was in Familia de Lope vlog. So if you guys haven't seen that, check it out. Here's the channel right here. There we go. And let's see what the foods are. And let's start the mukbang. These are the delicious food that we have for today. So our foods are healthy for today. It's fish. Except for this. This is not healthy. This is healthy. I don't know if this is healthy, but it looks healthy. And my dad's cooking tilapia outside, so we're gonna check that out and let's see if it's good or not. So I'm outside of my house right now and I can smell the fish from here. So this is like the front. This is like the front of our house and like the fish is cooking in the backyard and I can smell it right here. It smells pretty good. Let's check it out. So this is where the fish is cooking. So this is like a house tour outside of our house. There's the fish right there. I can smell it. Oh, it smells good. My gosh. Wait, let's not get too close because it's dangerous. That's the fish right there. Yeah. Alright, mukbang time. Except this.
And Facebook and sinigang
And and
and kuya
and tilapia. Tilapia. Ay, sarap to. Ano to? Talong.
Ano ba ito sinigang?
Hmm?
Sinigang ba ito? Ah. Yung gulay?
Hmm.
Ito. Hindi lang gulay ito. Ito, ano pa rin?
Ano, di ko matapat.
Kain na kain, anak. Ay, go mo. Bakit?
but this is a
Pinky, yeah.
this is the Chinese little finger.
Ano, hindi ko po alam.
This is the middle finger.
Sponsor mo kung sino yung nagmunganan.
Sponsored by Clarice and Chantal Grace. Ano ka? Ulam na lang.
Tuyot. Tuyot.
Do you eat that? Kain na na. Bigyan mo na
Sarap to, walang alat. Hindi na pa to. Hindi na pa to. Bakit na ba? Ate Chantal, siya, gusto daw ulit to.
Sino?
Ganyan din, kasama nila dati.
Hindi masarap. Hindi masarap ah. Hindi masarap ah. Hindi masarap ah.